Let's go meet up with a friend. We like friends. See, that's a good reason why you pay attention. I mean, in their defense, I was going to kind of like lane filter a little bit. Look at the pretty leaves. They're so pretty. Friend has arrived. Finally. I is ready. I'm going to go out that Lucid does not like traffic. People go too slow. I like going around the roundabout because it makes me feel like a little kid on the inside all over again. Tickle, 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 tickle. Come on, light. Change colors. That's what I thought. Intimidation always works. Remember that, kids.